I'm here to share my thoughts on the topic illegal effects of the drug and the role of government into curbing them and our responsibility. Imagine a young child full of dreams who slowly fades into the darkness of addiction. Every year, thousands of such dreams are getting destroyed, all because of one dangerous word: drugs. Cocaine. Honestly, when I thought about this topic, my heart truly ached. I felt both anger and sad. Anger because how this single substance can ruin innocent lives, and sad because even after knowing this truth, even some still fall into this trap. I feel that drug isn't just an health issue. It is a slow pandemic that kills away many lives and nation's future too. And let's talk about the ill effects of drugs. See, physically they affect our brain, immune system. It also affects our immune system and also damages our organ failure. Mentally, they leads to depression, anxiety, hallucination, and even suicides. And study says that about 2 to 3% of Indians, that's over 2 crore of Indians, are leading to addicting to these drugs. Isn't that alarming? Families break apart. Students who needs to build the young future are becoming its own burden. And economically, it leads to billions are spent every year on rehabilitation centers and healthcare centers. And friends, we are not helpless. Our government is helping us so hard by conducting programs like 𝗧𝗦𝗔𝗧 𝗚𝗫𝗃𝗃 and Operation Muskaan, aiming to rescue the missing and exploited children by keeping them safe away from the drug traffickers. Narcotic Drugs and Psychotropic Substance Act 1985 says that, and through the rehabilitation centers and awareness programs, Telangana Anti-Narcotic Control Bureau and our nation is fighting so hard against this drug. It proves that, and thankfully over 7 lakh people have been rehabilitated through the government-supported de-addiction centers in 2024 to 2025. And thankfully, it says that government makes laws, but we the people who makes it all the difference. And I would like to say that let's all join together to make this India drug-free India, and society unites, the addiction falls apart. I would like to conclude by saying that if you want a drug-free India, it starts with us. Let us all inspire the India to choose, to encourage, to choose them dreams over drugs and dedication, and dreams over drugs, and choose their smoke over the substance, like drug substance. Because when life is not meant to be high on dreams, it is meant to be high on dreams and dedication. Say no to poison and yes to passion. Thank you.